Hello, my name is Dana Trump. I'm with the Land Pride Service Department. Today we're going to show you the do's and don'ts of the Land Pride Grapples. This is the 05 series. We go clear up to a 15 series. They do fit many different sizes of tractors. Most of this information actually is good for all ranges of the Land Pride Grapples. What we're going to do next here is show you what range you're going to be working in. This BX tractor has a 2-speed transmission in it. It's got a high and it's got a low. When you're doing grapple work, make sure the selector is in low. High is generally used for transport only. Next, we're going to show you the do's and don'ts on the buttons on the third function valve. When operating your third function valve, these buttons here will control the hydraulic cylinders on the grapple. When you press a button in, your hydraulics are going to move. As soon as they stop moving, let off the button immediately. If you remain on this button, it's going to cause a hydraulic deadhead in the tractor and it will squeal. Do not ever press both buttons at the same time. And if you listen closely, the tractor's off. We got power to this third function valve. When I press the button, you will hear the valve click. So again, don't ever press both buttons at the same time. Next, I'm going to show you how to relieve the pressure in your hydraulic lines when you want to unhook the grapple. If you take and depress these buttons one at a time, hold them for a few seconds. If there's any pressure up there, it will relieve its pressure. I'll actually demonstrate that. You see how the grapple's relaxing. This will take all the pressure off the hydraulic lines. You can actually unhook your lines, and the next time you want to use your grapple, you can actually hook them back up. Next, we will show you how to unhook the grapple from the tractor. Okay, at this point here, I've actually rotated the grapple forward. I've opened the claw up all the way. I've set it down on the floor here. This is a good parking position. It will not roll over here. Very safe position to be in. I went back on the tractor on the buttons and I depressed each button for a few seconds each to relieve the pressure on these lines. At this point here, you can actually rotate these lines easily with your hand. If you cannot do that, go back to your buttons, depress them one at a time for a few seconds until the pressure releases. At this point here, you can release your quick couplers, your quick attach, and you can back away from the unit. Thank you for watching this video of the do's and don'ts on the grapples, and thank you for buying Land Pride.